Are you weary of working all day and then coming home trying to figure out how to budget your money in the evenings? This could be the cause of your financial difficulties. Living paycheck to paycheck is all too prevalent, and the result is that people continue to fall further behind on their financial goals. However, understanding the art of passive income is one of the finest ways for accomplishing your financial goals if you want to get out of this cycle. In this video, I'll show you 5 sources of income while sleeping, and if you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button below for more life hack content. Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you worked for a living? When was the last time you were compensated for your time and effort spent making money for someone else? The majority of us work for a living and are compensated for something we no longer have, our time. It's known as wage slavery, and it exists as a result of the way money is rooted in our systems. This explains why I create videos like this. If we want to earn money without working, we only have one option. Learn how to generate passive income by selling our services on the internet. In our society, there are 2 types of people: those who sell their time for money and those who have figured out how to make money while sleeping. And my goal with this video is to show you how anyone can become wealthy by utilizing the potential of passive income. Number 1. Start your own business. It may seem difficult to come up with a decent business idea, but with some thought and preparation, you may easily start a small business to supplement your income or even become your own full-time boss. Perhaps you already have an idea for a business you want to start. However, while you may be ready for a new venture and are enthusiastic about your concept, you may need to seek guidance. If you want to launch a business that generates money while you sleep, you'll need to hire an expert manager to handle the day-to-day operations. It frees up your time so you can focus on strategic planning activities as well as exploring new company prospects. You can also benefit from the experience of hiring managers and other competent experts. With their assistance, you'll be able to discover new ways to accomplish things that will enhance sales and profitability. If you think you have what it takes to manage a business, go for it. Whatever it takes, remember that you should be doing what is best for you first and foremost. You'll need to exercise a lot of self-control and concentrate, which may not always be easy. But I assure you, you'll have earned every penny of those first few checks when they arrive. Number 2. Start an online school. If you've been watching this channel for a long time, you'll recall from earlier videos that the value of a degree has diminished and that formal degrees are no longer as valuable in the job market. However, this does not imply that education is ineffective in general. In fact, the more knowledge you have, the better. While learning has become increasingly available and accessible through new technologies, there are other opportunities that can help you get paid as you sleep. Income School, a YouTube channel, is an excellent example of how to generate money while sleeping. This video platform is a passive income website that teaches people how to start their own profitable, active income website. Students are automatically enrolled in a closed membership after completing the first module, which provides continuous training, coaching, and business resources to help them succeed. Number 3. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is one of the best ways to make money while sleeping. Viewers can subscribe to your channel and you keep all the money earned from ad revenue. YouTube has become a major source of income for content creators. While many people put their videos on YouTube to make money, there are ways to earn money while asleep. Many individuals will argue that YouTube is anything but passive, and they somewhat agree with that assertion. Some people devote a significant amount of time each week to creating videos and running their channels. They can easily spend 25 hours a week developing material, from writing scripts to recording voiceovers, and of course, making animations. Many people, on the other hand, are completely hands-off when it comes to their YouTube channels. They outsource all of the content and then package the videos after they're finished. Number 4. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate is a lucrative way to make money while sleeping. It is a powerful tool for your financial health and security. Long-term rentals allow you to secure a tenant and collect rent every month. You may need to perform some maintenance fixes, but you can also hire a property manager to take care of this, as long as there's enough cash flow. However, if owning a home sounds too daunting, investors have the option to own real estate through REITs, which are a great way to earn passive income. Passively investing in REITs has a lot of advantages. A REIT is a real estate investment trust, where you buy stocks to large chunks of real estate, either in bulk or individually. The rental income from these can then be paid out as dividends or used to purchase more real estate down the road. You get the benefit of being able to put your assets to work without worrying about managing them. So, if you want passive income while sleeping, owning a REIT may be the best way to go. Number 5. Setting up an e-commerce shop. You can make decent money while sleeping, but don't just sleep and make money. Instead of waiting for clients to come knocking on your door, I recommend setting up an e-commerce site to attract them. The development of online purchasing has opened up a world of possibilities. Dropshipping, in particular, has grown in popularity. Dropshipping is the best way to sell products online and make money from home. The product arrives directly in your customers' homes, making them feel a sense of ownership, responsibility, and security. One of the appealing aspects of this form of business is that no inventory is required. It has a substantially cheaper initial cost, making it ideal for those with limited funds. Whether you work or not, you can sell a variety of things on your website and discover new ways to earn commissions every month. You only need a Shopify account and an active Shopify store to get started. Additionally, establishing your shop might be inexpensive. Many dropshippers use Shopify to put up their site, which costs only $30 per month, far less than the thousands of dollars it would cost to start a physical store in your city. In other words, once your store is up and running, the rest may be totally automated. This means that no matter what you do, you will make money. These are the 5 ways to make money while you sleep. It could take a little more effort at first, but it's well worth it. Once you've automated some processes, delegated some responsibilities, and established yourself as a leader and a teacher, you've taken a significant step towards releasing yourself from the restrictions of having to manually handle everything that happens in your organization. With that independence, you can look into different ways to make money. You can take some well-earned vacation time. Whatever you choose to do with the extra time, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing that you're making money regardless of what you're doing, even if you're deep asleep. Thanks for watching. If you want to go from the life you have to the life you deserve, then hit the subscribe button now.